Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to insert paper in M7310DW PANTUM printer. To do that, you should open the paper tray. It's here. And here in the paper tray you have regulators, so you can change the width of the paper card and the length of the paper card. And you can even change the length of the paper tray. So for example, if I want to load the A4 paper, I should make the paper tray a little longer. As you can see now, I can fit my A4 paper cards in my paper tray, and now just insert paper tray in the printer and click OK on the printer's screen. Choose type of paper you have loaded, plain or thin, and cool. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye.